Meaning of disservice.
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 Disservice. The word disservice refers to an action or behavior that harms or disadvantages someone or something, often unintentionally. A disservice can undermine someone's position, reputation, or progress in some way, and may ultimately lead to negative consequences. This term can be used in different contexts, such as politics, business, or personal relationships. For instance, if a boss criticizes an employee publicly and unfairly, it would be considered a disservice to the employee, as it can damage their self-esteem and hinder their growth and development within the company.